What taxes apply when I pass away? This is a pretty common question. A lot of people are worried about death taxes. There's really two primary death taxes to be concerned about. The first is what's called the federal estate tax. Now, the federal estate tax is a tax that applies if your net worth exceeds the relatively generous lifetime exemptions. So for about the last 20 years or so, the lifetime exemption has been at least $5 million. So folks under $5 million in total net worth, and that would be $10 million for a married couple, there will be no federal estate tax because they're under that high limitation. If you have a higher net worth, then we certainly need to think about whether the federal estate tax is going to apply in your situation, and are there any steps that we can do to avoid it. Now, the Pennsylvania inheritance tax is going to impact many more families. So the Pennsylvania inheritance tax is a death tax that is due when you pass away. The rate of tax that is due depends on the relationship between the person who passed away and the person inheriting the asset. For people that pass away and leave assets to either nonprofits or to their spouses, generally speaking, 0% tax. If you leave assets to your kids or grandkids, lineal descendants, or to your parents, lineal ascendants, the tax rate is 4.5%. If you leave assets to other folks, the tax rate goes up. 12% if you leave assets to siblings, and pretty much anyone else, nieces, nephews, friends, neighbors, the tax rate is going to be 15%. So to understand how this tax is going to impact you, we really need to understand your family dynamics, the relationship that you have to the people who are going to inherit, and then we can create a plan to determine if we need to avoid taxes or simply understand how we're going to pay them when you pass away. If you found this information useful and you want to learn more, you should click the link to download one of our free educational legal guides that will get you information and put you on the right track to making proper legal decisions for your unique circumstances.